In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily display your file path in Microsoft Word using the Quick Access toolbar. This feature can be incredibly useful if you often find yourself digging through folders to find exactly where your document is saved on your computer. So let's dive in and make your workflow a bit more efficient. First things first, you'll want to open up the Microsoft Word file that you're working on. Once your document is up and running, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you see the File tab on the ribbon. Click on it to bring up a list of options. Among these, look for Options, which is usually at the bottom of the list, and select it to open the Word Options dialog. Within the Word Options window, you'll find a variety of settings that can customize your Word experience. But what we're focusing on today is the Quick Access toolbar, so go ahead and click on that option. This toolbar allows you to add commands that you frequently use, giving you quicker access to them without having to click through multiple menus. Now that you're on the Quick Access toolbar page, there's a drop-down menu that says Choose Commands From. Click on it and select All Commands from the menu. This will display a comprehensive list of every command available in Word, making it a bit easier to find exactly what you need. From this extensive list, scroll down until you locate File Path. Once you find the File Path option, click on it and then hit the Add button to include it to your Quick Access toolbar. Once that's done, click on OK to save your changes and close the Word Options dialog. You'll notice that the File Path button has now nestled itself into your Quick Access toolbar at the top left of your Word screen, right next to the Undo button. By clicking on this newly added button, you can instantly see the entire file path to your document. It's now right there at your fingertips, making it so much easier if you need to verify the location or open the folder where your document is stored. And there you have it. You've just completed a simple but powerful customization to your Microsoft Word setup. With the file path readily accessible, you'll save time and avoid the hassle of manually navigating through folders just to find where your document is saved. It's small tweaks like these that can make your work process smoother and more efficient. So give this a try and enjoy the newfound convenience in your Word experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.